Bitcoin versus gold. Bitcoin and gold are both considered valuable assets, but they have several key differences. One of the main differences is that gold has been used as a store of value for thousands of years, while Bitcoin is a relatively new asset. This means that gold has a much longer track record and is more widely accepted as a store of value. Additionally, gold can be physically held and stored, while Bitcoin is purely digital and is stored on a distributed ledger technology known as a blockchain. Another difference between the two is that gold has a finite supply, while the supply of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins, which are released on a predictable schedule through a process called mining. Additionally, gold can be mined and added to the existing supply, whereas Bitcoin is only mined through a complex mathematical process that becomes more difficult as more coins are mined, designed to ensure that the coins released decrease over time. Another difference is that gold has a more stable value compared to Bitcoin, which is known for its volatility. The value of Bitcoin can change dramatically over a short period of time, making it a more speculative investment. Meanwhile, gold typically moves at a slower pace and is less likely to experience large fluctuations in value. On the other hand, Bitcoin offers some advantages over gold. For one, it is much more portable and can be easily transferred across borders, making it a useful option for people who need to move large amounts of money quickly. Additionally, Bitcoin transactions are faster and cheaper than gold transactions, as they can be done digitally without the need for intermediaries like banks. In terms of the legal side, Bitcoin is still legally considered in most countries as a commodity or property and not as a currency, which means the tax and legal regulations are different for each country. Gold, on the other hand, is considered as a commodity and have a more consistent regulation globally. This is something to consider when investing in Bitcoin. It is also worth noting that Bitcoin has a potential for a higher return on investment compared to gold, as it is a newer and more speculative asset. However, it also carries a higher level of risk. In summary, Bitcoin and gold are both valuable assets that can be used as a store of value. However, they have significant differences, such as their age, supply, stability, and ease of transfer. Both have their own advantages and disadvantages, and choosing between them will depend on an individual's investment goals and risk tolerance.